Welcome to How To's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send stickers on Messenger. So let's dive in. The first step is open your Messenger, and the next step is for you to open the person you want to chat with. Click on the person, and how do you send sticker? You can look at this emoji but it like look like a head. Click on it and you scroll up. The next step is scroll up and you're going to find stickers. So these are the stickers that you have. The sticker represents each things by themselves. You can see this is the angry sticker. This is angry sticker. You can just click on it and you'll send it to the person. This is crying. You can see this is calm sticker. You can send it to the person. You can see these are a lot of sticker. This is, like, you can see this one is wow, like you can see. So there's a lot of sticker that you can send. You just click on it, click on sticker, and you can send any sticker. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, click the like button and comment.